What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. So I'm just going to keep this simple and teach you guys how a way to fade, and yeah, just cut out the little things and just give you guys my blending steps. So first I'm going to go with a number 3 guard just to debulk, and as you can see I'm not going to go all the way to the top because you don't want the fade to be too high. Next, you're gonna take your clipper over comb and just kind of angle it outwards just to get the hangover hair. That way it won't get in the way when you're blending. Alright, to get into this fade, you're gonna start with your clipper closed. And the reason I'm not going with the trimmers this time is because it'll make it easier for you to blend that line out if you just go with the clipper closed. So I'm just gonna be doing one side of the head. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick tutorial. So just try to make that line as even as you can. Next, you're going to go with your trimmers, but you're going to go right below that. Don't go all the way to the top like you did with your clippers, because it's not going to make any sense. So just go right below that. That way it'll be a easier transition. Next, you're gonna go with your shavers and go right under that and tap at it to slowly remove that line. Next, go with your clipper open, which means the lever is all the way down, and you're just gonna go about a thumb's width. Then to remove that line, you're going to go with your clipper closed first and tap at that bottom line and slowly open it the higher you go. As you can see right there, use your corners just so you're not taking off too much hair. And I like to keep a brush in my hand when I'm doing the fade just so you can always have a clean canvas. And remember to use light strokes. It'll help you a lot in the long run. Next, you're going to go with your number 1 guard open and go about a thumb's width again and make your next guideline. Try not to make it too harsh though, because you need it to be easier to take out. So instead of removing that guideline, we're going to go up another step and you're going to go to number 2 guard all the way open. And after that step, you're going to close the clipper all the way and go right below you did with the number 2 open, with the number 2 closed. Next, you're going to go with your number 1.5 guard, all the way open again and go right below that. And after this step, you're going to close the clipper with your 1.5 guard open. And this is when you're going to start seeing the fade come in. Next, you're going to go with your half guard. Start with it all the way open and slowly work your way down and slowly close the clipper the lower you go. And this should be pretty much the end of your fading process, unless you have some touch-up work that you want to touch up. Just like you'll see after I go with my half guard, I snap on the 1 guard just because I see some dark areas. And to get rid of those dark areas, you're going to want to use your corners of your clipper, like as you can see I am doing right here. So after this 1 guard, it's pretty much the end of the haircut. Like I said, this was just basically fading. I will release a full tutorial So please subscribe and don't miss out. Follow my Instagram, I post daily. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this really quick fading tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps all of you that watch, and leave your comments down below. It's your boy John B. Thank you guys, and here's the final product, and I'm out.